Hi guys, welcome back with the last puzzle of today on Saturday. Yes, on Saturday. It's weekend, Saturday, October the 30th, 2021. Almost end of the month, and one puzzle left because I have solved two puzzles. The 3 stars Sudoku binary puzzle, and now it's time for the Tectonic with 4 stars. And tomorrow I will solve these 3 puzzles. Because tomorrow we don't have any newspaper, so I will continue with this additional. Alright, and this one will be number 3614. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Should be an easy one. 4 stars, but don't judge. Now we will see. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here the single box, always a 1. Then the dual box, I see here only one dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. But I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Triple box, do we have any triple boxes here? No, I see quadra box here and there. Well, it contains the 1, the 2, and the 3, and the 4, the quadra box. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this quadra box for the numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. How about this quadra box in the L shape? And remember, if you see a L shape with 4 boxes, quadra box, the inside box, this is the inside box, yeah, this box is always a 5. Okay, always a 5. All right, then the following step or strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, the L shape. We have here the L shape. Let me draw this, the L shape. This is the L shape. Let me draw this correctly. If you see the L shape, this is mirrored. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. The L shape. Here another one. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Has the same number. Okay, more L shapes here. No. Then the following shape. How about the Z construction? Yes, the Z construction. Here we have this Z. Rotated. Remember, if you see this Z construction, this box. Wait. This box has the same number as that box. Is this correct? Yeah. No. Is this correct too? Yeah. This box should be a 1 or a 2. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Only one Z construction. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this Okay. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. Yeah. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Okay. More of these kind of shapes? No. Then one shape left, I believe. Here, this one. Let me draw this. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this puzzle, we have only 4 shapes that you need to recognize. There are more, but in this puzzle, we have only 4 of them. Then the following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. So the next step, let's get starting filling the numbers. All right, these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. Okay, so 1 box left for the 3 in this quarter box should be there. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for the numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Okay, right. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can it be a 1? So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Let me mark those. 4 and 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 4 or 5. Okay. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can it be a 1? So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1. Can it be a 2? Can it be a 3? Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this Z construction or Z shape for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, let me mark those. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2 or 3. Okay, these 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then let me see. Yeah. I'm thinking. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there. So this box cannot be 2 anymore. This box should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 1 box left in this Z construction for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 and 5. I need a 3 in this L shape. Yeah. 4, 5. But the 3 should be in one of those 3 boxes. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 boxes now left in this L shape for the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 here. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 4. Almost made a mistake. This should be a 4 because we have already 5 there. 1 box left in this W area shape for the number 5. Okay. 4, 4. Okay. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 4. Okay. These two boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, it cannot be. This box I've marked those two boxes with a 3, but now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Okay. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, okay. These two boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These two boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those two boxes. This box is connected with that box, should be so 1 or a 4. Okay, these two boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah, let me think. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. 2 boxes left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 4 anymore. Otherwise, if I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 5, and that box should be a 4. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 5. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 5 here. The only place for the 5 should be here. Okay. Alright. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 here. Yeah, so... And this box can also not be a 1, because we have a 1 and a 4, double 1 and a 4 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So here cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, and that box cannot be a 1. So the only place for the 1 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be so a 1. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Okay. This box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. Now we have a 2 here. This box can be 2 anymore. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2. So that box should be a 2, and I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 2, because it's going to be 1, Should be a 2. Can it be 3? Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 2. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this area for the numbers 1. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box will be a 4, and this box will be a 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Almost forgotten. Okay. Overlook this. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. Finished in 50 minutes. Wow. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars again. Yeah. Because for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. And I've solved this in 50 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonic, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. Playlist for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the killer, for the quintuplet, all kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again tomorrow. Have a great and fantastic Saturday. Tomorrow on Sunday, we will meet again with the rest of the puzzles in this additional. We have 3 left. So until then, bye-bye for now.